Here we have the LiveSafe app. We are currently on the home screen as indicated by the house icon in the bottom navigation bar. In the top left menu, we have a few options for viewing your personal information, editing your profile, and managing the different organizations you subscribe to. Navigating back to the home screen, you can see we have custom branding at the top that is configurable for your organization. Here we have 4 action buttons: Report Suspicious Activity, Report Incident, Resources, and Emergency Options. The layout of the screen is what we refer to as the Power L, with Report Suspicious Activity being the least urgent and Emergency Options being the most. Report Suspicious Activity is meant for situations where something doesn't quite feel right to the user, but they're unsure of what is wrong. On the screen here, you can see that we are leveraging your device's technology and allow users to submit photo, video, and audio files. We can enter information about the issue and attach a media file if we'd like. We also geotag the location from where the tip is being submitted from to give your security team more information to follow up with. You'll see here we provide the user information as well, unless the user chooses to send anonymously. Once the user selects Send, they will receive a confirmation that their tip has been submitted. From here, the user can chat further with security if they have additional info to provide or navigate back to the home screen.